What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are playing a new game called Greenville, Wisconsin, and we are actually here at my business called Truck Planet if you want to come by here for some trailers and attachments. But I'm gonna be waiting for people to see if they need like anything done with the trucks. But I did check the phone today, and on the radar, it said there was going to be a huge blizzard today. So that may affect my business, and we might have to close early. So, like, yeah. Guys, oh my, do you guys hear the wind outside? Oh, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, yep, I think it's here. I wouldn't, I think they're about to, I wouldn't be surprised if they called a blizzard warning already. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah, here it is. Looks like we're going on tow patrol. Okay. What should we do, guys? While we're waiting here. Hello? Alright. Okay, what kind of car are you in? Okay, I'll be there as soon as I can. I just gotta get my tow truck. Okay, guys, this is gonna be okay. Hopefully my tow truck doesn't get stuck, but this thing won't get stuck. You guys know what I mean? Like this thing is a beast. You guys just don't know. Oh my goodness, this is very icy outside, but we're just gonna go to Horton, put this thing in sports mode so we don't get stuck, and we're gonna be there in like no time because you got this thing in sport mode. I shouldn't be able to get pulled over since like I'm DOT or like also truck planet owner and it's a blizzard, so I'd assume no police are online today. But we're just gonna head over to Horton and we're gonna see how bad this crash is. I got all the cones in like the storage compartments and ooh, I got another alert on my farm. It says National Weather Service. Stay inside. Roads are all ice. Who cares? My thing got like this is like a beast. This like I'm going like 85 up in here. Yeah, nobody's on the road. Like major blizzard. We might get like over like 5 feet of snow. Like I'm like being dead honest. Like it is literally like dumping snow. And the brakes on here are like really good because like it's like impossible to stop. Oh, barely stopped on time because the roads are all ice. You guys do not know how hard it is driving on ice. You literally cannot stop. But we are heading into the town of Horton. Oh my, I got another call. There has been 200 calls of crashes. Schools are closed. My boss just said that. So we are like fully booked right now. Okay, it, it looks like Horton is getting the hardest right now. Okay. I just gotta look around in here and I actually have not been in this new town yet, so like I gotta find this ice cream shop. Sir, are you still on the call? Where are you at? Like, oh, behind you? Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna, t- I'm gonna take a turn around. Oh my gosh, there's like, get in your vehicle so you don't freeze faster. Does your vehicle still start? Okay, okay, where's this car at? Where is your car? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to shut down the road because, like, nobody needs to be, like, nobody needs to be, like, going down through here. So, like, I'm gonna put down some barricades over here. Yeah, not surprised. I'm not official DOT, so, like, I'm licensed. I'm just not like a major like DOT like some other businesses. But anyways, where are my controls at? Hold up. Haven't been in this thing in a while. Okay, I'm gonna lower it down here. Is that gonna hit your car? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay. I need to load it up. Okay, up. Hop in the back of your car, or hop in my truck. All right. Okay. Oh my. We're lucky the road is ice. This thing does not have diff locks, so like. Okay, we're good. Okay, where do you want this at? Do you want this at Truck Planet or like. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go there as fast as I can. Oh! I believe your car's not damaged. Rose. Oh, I just got a new alert. Did you? Maybe. There's a lot more, dude. There's a lot more between Greenville, Outgamy, and Horton. There's a bunch of towns to cover, like, through here. Yeah, I am very busy, but I'm the only worker today because all my other coworkers are, like, sick, so, like, yeah. Okay, we are heading towards Greenville right now. We're gonna be there in a second. Phew, but that doesn't that there that doesn't mean there's still ice on the ground though, because there is still gonna be accidents, and this ice is like a quarter of an inch thick. But we're just speeding through here. I got my lights on, so like I can. Yeah. Ooh, that whole thing was like ice covered. We're heading up there right now. Yes, that is probably gonna be historical. 200 crashes, roughly estimate, by the way. Yeah, he works for the DOT now, but he called in sick. Okay, I'm gonna release your hold up. I'm gonna release your car up into you. Do you by chance need some work done with your thing? Ye- the only thing that I could probably fix you with is like motor work, but I don't know about rims. Your rims look okay, they just don't look like good. Like, bro, hold up, hold up. Woo, that thing purrs. You might have to. Oh wait, I didn't start my vehicle. Hold up. Okay, we're gonna pretend like I'm on it. Okay. Yeah, we definitely have a 5-star. Okay, just back your thing up in there. It has a little tick going on in here, so like, I'm gonna just hop in my inventory because I have a bunch of mats laying me down because I broke a few trees. All right. Okay, so. Oh yeah. Okay. Actually, I can fix your rims. I was mistaken. I didn't know I had a screwdriver right here. Bzz, 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 bzz. Changes rim. Bzz, 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 bzz. Okay. Bzz. Okay. Bzz, 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 bzz. Alright. Bzz, 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 bzz. Yes, this thing gets the work done. Okay, I'm gonna open your hood and see what's going on in here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna fix your motor problems here. It looks like it's just a battery and stuff. Okay. Okay, should be okay. Okay, try and start her up. There should be no tick anymore. Okay. Alright, it's sounding better, but I turn it off again. We need to get that battery charged. Okay, let me just get you a new battery here. Alright, grabs battery. Okay, I'm gonna just put this new battery in. Just put it up there. We use this for later. Okay. Bzz, 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 bzz. All right, try and start her up. This thing should start right up easily. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Did it take a few times to start it? We I'm gonna fix that because with Truck Planet, we don't let cars go unless they're perfectly good. So I'm gonna just get you some. I'm gonna just get you some NOS and some other stuff to make this start right up. And then a new starter, igniter. Okay, I'm gonna put all the stuff in. Okay, try and start her up. This thing should start like right up. Yes! No! Oh my goodness. Anyways, That was a pretty like reckless crash, but anyways, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks to Mick Connor for being in the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.